Hello friends, today we will discuss about obesity, what are the side effects of obesity and what precautions should we take to control overweight, and we will also see about the tips to reduce excess weight. So what is obesity? If your body mass index is more than 25, it is called as obesity. If it is a truncal obesity, that if your waist circumference is increased, it is called as apple-shaped obesity. And this apple-shaped obesity is more dangerous. Now in this video we are saying about side effects of obesity. Because of obesity, serious medical issues are seen. Obesity affects every part of the body: brain, blood vessels, heart, liver, gallbladder, bones and joints. And it is also seen that because of obesity, overall mortality is increased. Now obesity affects the cardiovascular system. Heart needs to work hard to pump blood, and because of excessive strain on the heart, it leads to high blood pressure. It also leads to high LDL cholesterol, low HDL cholesterol, and high level of triglycerides, that is dyslipidemia, is also seen in patients suffering from obesity. It further leads to blockages in the arteries supplying the heart, that is called as coronary heart disease, and because of these blockages, it may precipitate heart attack. So risk of heart attack increases in patients suffering from obesity. Now endocrine system is also affected, particularly the insulin resistance is seen in patients who are obese. It leads to type 2 diabetes, and there are a lot of complications because of type 2 diabetes mellitus. It leads to heart disease, stroke, kidney disease, blindness, and in some patients, because of blockages in the arteries supplying your lower legs, amputation may be needed in the future. Now metabolic syndrome is also seen in the obese patients. Metabolic syndrome consists of obesity, particularly truncal obesity, high cholesterol, diabetes and hypertension. The cluster of these diseases is called as metabolic syndrome, and it leads to many complications like heart attack, stroke, kidney failure, blindness. Now the nervous system is also affected because of obesity. The blood vessels supplying the brain are affected, and the blood flow to the brain is lowered. It leads to stroke. In some patients, because of poor self-esteem, depression, anxiety and other mental disorder are also seen. Now obesity affects the respiratory system also. The fat around neck is deposited, and because of this deposition of the fat, it compresses the airway and it leads to sleep apnea, and in some patients breathing difficulties are seen in night. It leads to snoring. If you are suffering from the snoring habit in the night, if you reduce your weight, it will help to alleviate this snoring problem. Now the next system affected is skeletal and muscular system. In patients suffering from obesity, it is seen that their bones and muscles are weak. Okay, these are not well developed, these are not strong, and because of that muscle stiffness is also seen, and in some patients body pain and difficulty with physical functioning also occurs because of excess weight. Because of the excess weight on your joints, it leads to osteoarthritis and causes severe pain. Now in some patients gallbladder disease also seen, like inflammation of the gallbladder, gallstones, cholecystitis, and because of that you may need gallbladder surgery, that is your gallbladder need to removed if it is inflamed. Now there are occurrence of various cancers in patients who are suffering from obesity. The incidence of cancer increases, like cancers of endometrium, that is uterus, liver, kidney, cervix, colon cancer, esophageal and pancreatic cancer. The incidence of this cancer increases if you are suffering from obesity. Now the various liver diseases occur, particularly the fatty liver seen in obese patient. If you do ultrasonography of the obese patient, 50% of them would be suffering from fatty liver. In fatty liver, the healthy liver tissue is replaced by the fats, and over the period of the time cirrhosis occurs in the liver. In some patients it may lead to liver failure, and cancer also is a complication of fatty liver. Now digestive problem, GIT problems are also seen, like heartburn, acidity, GERD, that is gastroesophageal reflux disease, and the acid in the abdomen reflux in the esophagus. Particularly this occurs in the night, and if you reduce your some weight, these GIT symptoms will get minimized. Now some gynecological and sexual problems are also caused by obesity, like infertility, irregular periods in the women, and in men erectile dysfunction is seen. Now obesity leads to the low quality of life. It leads to low self-esteem and social withdrawal. It affects your confidence. So your quality of life is also greatly affected because of obesity. Now obesity has so much side effects. So what can we do for obesity? It can be easily prevented. You can easily reduce your weight. Mainly diet and exercise is required for that. For diet, take low calorie diet. That is, if your calorie requirement of the day is around 2000 calories, then you should take around 1500 to 1600 calories. So your diet should be around 300 to 400 calorie deficit in a day. That is, you should consume less calorie than you burn. So this will gradually improve your weight. And also exercise is very important. Brisk walking is a very good exercise. You can do 40 minutes brisk walk in the morning and 40 minutes brisk walk in the evening. This will have many beneficial effects on the health. I have made a separate video about this, and 15 ways of obesity prevention are explained in detail in this video. You can click on this link and watch it in detail. Thank you for watching video till the end. Subscribe channel and press bell icon. We are regularly posting videos about health issues. If you have any query or any doubt, you can write in the comment box. Thanks a lot for watching video.